Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the today's session, we are going to talk about one more small concept that it is related to the functions, which is a rest parameters. See, why are we using these rest parameters? Means this parameters allows the function to accept multiple number of arguments, and all these arguments would be passed as a single array. So consider that there is a function. I don't know how many number of strings that I will be passing, or how many number of numbers that I'm going to pass for that particular function. In such a cases, you will be using these rest parameters. So in order to work on these rest parameters, these three dots should be there. The syntax is function, name of the function, three dots, the parameters, and the type. So here, what I'm gonna do right now is a function, add three, probably, okay, the name of the function, and here I'm putting a three dots, and all these are numbers, and the type here is a number, and as per the syntax, it should be of an array, and it is not returning anything. Okay, it is not returning anything, and simply, okay, simply, what I'm doing here is console.log numbers. Okay, so console.log numbers. That's it. That's what I was just printing it up. Okay, that's what I was just printing it up. So here, instead of printing these numbers directly, right, let us try to use a for loop. Okay, let us try to use a for loop. So for, and this, it is suggesting me that let num of numbers, this is a for each loop. So here, as part of this for each loop, so it is saying that, okay, this is the one, and error, this, one second, let me pull it back. So it is, the editor is killing my brain. Yeah. So this is the thing. Yeah. So if you look at it, basically, I'm just using a for loop in printing all the individual values. Just printing all the individual values. That's it, guys. So here, what I'm gonna do right now is directly call add 3, and it's I'm passing 2 comma 3 comma 4. I was just passing this 2 3 comma 4. Okay, let me run my function and check it out here. Okay, 2 3 4 values got printed. Instead of printing these numbers here, what I want to do right now is copy this function, comment it out, create a new function. Here, instead of printing this particular one, what I'm gonna do right now here is, let me define a variable. Let sum, this is of a number, and the default value is a 0. So here, what I'm gonna do right now, sum plus is equal to num. That's it. So what it's gonna does internally, sum is equal to sum plus num. That's it. All the values would be added. And here directly I'm returning a number. Okay, directly I'm returning a number. So here I wanna add a return statement. Now here, says console.log add 3. Okay, that's it. Console.log add 3. Okay, console.log add 3. That's it, guys. So that's what I have defined this one. So what it's gonna does right now, when you run this program, it should print the number sum. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. The whole chunk got printed. If you add a 1 2 3 4, see here in the function I have defined it as an array. So this is basically a rest parameters, so I can pass as many parameters that I want. Okay, perfectly all right. And for suppose there are some key points that we need to consider on this rest parameter. Okay, there are some key points that we need to consider. If there is a parameter, then this rest parameter should be passed second. Okay, so basically, if there are any normal parameters are there, first you need to pass those normal parameters, followed by the rest parameters we need to pass. Okay, this is the thumb rule, guys. Okay, the only thumb rule is the rest parameters must come after the normal parameters. That's it. As simple as it is. This is all about a REST parameters, guys. In the next session, we will be discussing with the further examples. Thank you.